Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another episode of the Daily Crypto News. And today, the XRP price is doing extremely well. And you guys must be wondering, what exactly is going on? I have two theories as to why the price is doing so well that I'm going to be sharing in this video. So if you guys enjoy XRP content, make sure you press that like button. And we have another video coming up, but you'll see that in just a couple of hours regarding XRP. Having said that, things were amazing over in France at the Binance Blockchain Week. Was awesome. Just a quick little update, and let's dive right in. So XRP looks to be up 5% or so over on our numbers right here. Obviously, the Ethereum merge got the entire crypto market off guard a little bit. You can see Ethereum is down roughly about 15% over the last week, and many thought that things would be quote-unquote bearish from here on forward for a little bit. And then also, funny enough, I guess, XRP is up roughly 12.5%. I already told you guys yesterday, might have not posted that video. I wanted to tell you guys yesterday that XRP was actually the best performer out of the top 10, which was already a very interesting movement because XRP over the last couple of weeks has not been performing that greatly. So then to see now XRP with this type of movement is of course mesmerizing, and it makes people wonder, why exactly is this? What exactly is going on, and why are people buying it so massively all of a sudden? Or who is buying this? Well, there are two main theories. One theory has to do a lot with the fact that a lot of positive news came out for crypto regulation. We've seen the White House, which, oh, that was a glitch, I think, which then explains why the SEC might be going for this approach against Ripple. Why they might be going for all of this can again explain why most likely they will win, or at least why the approach that the SEC took is overreaching, and why at the end of the day it's like a obsolete, because Ripple will become victorious over all of this. I think a lot of people noticed this when that news came out. Plus, and these are just my thoughts on the matter, I think it is added with the fact that we got that new amicus brief, or in short, we had the Chamber of Digital Commerce in the US basically also intervene and say, hey, SEC, hey, judge, whatever the SEC is saying right here is not really correct. We don't think that's right. And from that perspective, again, there's more faith that Ripple will win, which ultimately I think, not financial advice, my thoughts, will be one of the most important bullish factors for the XRP price over the short term. Obviously, over longer terms, utility will persist, but that is it for the short term. Then again, the majority of crypto Twitter and Instagram regarding XRP, all the guys that I've spoken to in that regard have actually said that it might have something to do with this right here. Ripple price soars nearly 10% after an unknown whale purchased $500 million worth of XRP. $500 million is a lot of money, but, and you got to understand this really, really well. We talked before about how selling a billion XRP to the market is not that crazy of a thing, and how regardless of what Ripple gets is not that big a deal, right? In terms of the billion they get every month, of which they might sell 200 million, 300 million. Here, CryptoVinco, right? According to CryptoVinco, XRP appears to be decoupling from the entire crypto market as the asset's price. XRP seems to be decoupling from the rest of the crypto markets. A mega whale purchased over 500 million XP yesterday. And that's definitely something to think about. Is this a settlement? We can't know. Is this some sort of insider buying? Maybe it's Coinbase. Maybe it's Coinbase insiders buying this one again, and we're going to see an announcement in a couple of days. Wouldn't be the first time that something like that has happened. Now, as of this point, we really have no idea whether or not this had some effect or whether or not there's some inside information. But we talked before, and we talk a lot about XRP decoupling. Isn't it, however, very peculiar that very often, like for example yesterday, XRP is the only coin that is up out of the entire top 10. All of a sudden, when, for example, some negative news regarding Ethereum came out, all of a sudden XRP starts to do pretty well. Does that have to do with ETHgate? Does it have to do with the fact that Ethereum is getting some preferential treatment within the SEC? Is XRP, for example, right now leading the markets on a little bit? Obviously, we can't take a look at the stock market, as I believe it is Saturday right now. Do I have a phone? I don't have a phone here. Okay, I can't actually verify it's Saturday. I think it is Saturday though. Yeah. But in that regards, the stock market can't also be pulling Bitcoin up. Is it because Ethereum has finally started to get some movement inside it again? It's because it's reversing? Well, it looks to be as if XRP right now is taking that market up a little bit because it's the coin that performed well yesterday. It's the best performing coin out of the top. Let's see here. The top a lot today. The top, let's quickly check this out. Oh, why did I pressed NFT? My bad. Let's see. It's actually the top performer out of the entire top 100. XRP is the #1 performer out of the entire top 100 right now. That is something you don't see very often. Is it decoupling? Well, this could be a start of something. It could be some insider notice if all of a sudden a whale bought 500 million. It could also just be another normal day because it is not such a strange occurrence as some people make it out to be. I personally think it might have a lot to do with the courts and the fact that people are getting more and more certain that this lawsuit is going to be won. It could also have to do with the fact that within about 36 hours from now, there's some very important news regarding the lawsuit coming out, as we obviously will get Ripple's summary judgment and the or I guess the SEC v. Ripple, let's say, summary judgments we will get in about 2 days from now. They've already been filed, but then, right now they've been sealed. And just for anybody that doesn't know, in the lawsuit, there's a new phase that has just started, but the 19th is really going to quote-unquote start, because at that point, we're going to get a lot of this hidden information out to the public. And yeah, people might be anticipating for that. Just letting you guys quickly in on some information that I thought was helpful. Yeah, that was it for today's video. As I said before, I have another XRP video regarding the White House, regarding the SEC, regarding the lawsuit and everything. But for some reason, I've messed that video up a couple different times. So I'm going to try to get that out to you guys in still a couple of hours. I'm going to see if that's going to be working. But yeah, that was it for right now. See you guys later.